Get ready to hear the most powerful and transformative message from Jesus for you. He speaks directly to the hearts of the chosen, bringing leadership, promise, and victory. Your hope has been restored, and your victory has arrived. Watch until the end and receive this divine word that will change your life forever. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends who need to hear this message. The message from Jesus: your victory has arrived. My chosen one, bow your heart, for today I speak directly to you. You hear the voice, not with your ears but with your spirit. It's a gentle yet authoritative voice, bringing peace and reverence at the same time. You wonder why the battle has been so long, why the nights seemed endlessly dark. But I say to you, every moment had a purpose. Every tear was a seed watered by my grace. Do you think you were alone? You never were. I was there, holding your hand even when you couldn't see the way forward. The words of Jesus flood your soul like a river of living waters, washing away all doubt and fear. I heard every prayer you whispered, he continues, his tone full of tenderness. Even the ones you thought I had forgotten. But I never forget. My promises are like the sunrise, faithful and unchanging. Do you remember the promise I made to you? Today, I tell you, it is being fulfilled now. Your mind tries to grasp what you're hearing. The weight of your struggles begins to lift, like clouds parting to reveal a clear blue sky. Look back, he says. See how I guided you, how I delivered you, how I cared for you even when everything seemed lost. You trusted me, even when you had no strength left. And because you trusted me, today is the day of your victory. Lord, you dare to ask in your heart, why me? What did I do to deserve such love? He responds with a smile that seems to light up the universe. You are mine, not because of your works, but because of my eternal love. I chose you before you were born, and I called you by name. You are part of a much greater plan, a story I am writing through your life. No power on earth or in heaven can stop what I have ordained for you. But Lord, what about my weaknesses? What about my failures? He answers firmly, I have already washed them all away. What I see in you is the light of my glory. You are strong because I am your strength. You are victorious because I have already won the victory for you. Nothing can separate you from my love. You feel something changing around you. It's as if invisible chains that held you captive are being shattered. Rise, my chosen one, he says with authority. The world is waiting for the light I have placed within you. There are no more barriers, no more delays. Walk boldly, for everything I have promised is before you. Claim your victory, for it has arrived. The voice begins to fade, but not before leaving one final word. I am who I am, and because I am, you are more than a conqueror. Go and shine for my glory.